Hey folks, today I want to talk to you about Gro Hair Oil and how it works. Okay, Gro Hair Oil contains 17 of the most powerful plants known to science to grow hair. These plants all have scientific studies behind them. Okay, they've been studied by independent scientists and they show that these plants grow hair three ways. One, they prolong the hair growth stage of the hair cycle. This is crucial because the longer the hair growth stage, the more hair can grow. For most people, that stage is stunted or very short, which means that the hair doesn't have the opportunity to grow as long and as fast as it should. Okay, so that's the first thing it does, it prolongs the hair growth stage of the hair cycle. Two, it boosts blood flow to the scalp. The more blood flow to the scalp, the more the hair follicles can be fed, the more they will grow, the healthier they will grow, okay? And the stronger they become. The plants activate blood flow to the scalp. Plants like rosemary, for instance, will stimulate blood flow to the scalp. You put it on your scalp, you can feel it working instantly. Okay, we have 17 of the very best plants known to do that as well. Third, they activate hair follicles. Yes, they actually activate hair follicles. And people don't believe that. Okay, people will believe that minoxidil, for instance, can activate the hair follicles, but they don't give credit to a plant. Remember that the plant was the inspiration for minoxidil. Okay, it was stolen from the plant. The only difference is the plants will do it naturally. The minoxidil will do it with side effects. So you want to use plants to stimulate hair follicles, and they can do an excellent job of it. In fact, many studies have shown that they're actually far superior than minoxidil and without the side effects. Okay, that's why I think Gro Hair Oil is the best oil you can use on your hair. Okay, it's going to help you get healthier, thicker hair. Simple as that. Okay, the best of the best. We put the absolute best plants in here. Okay, and the highest dose possible, and the highest concentrations. You use this, and use it consistently, and it will not disappoint you. Now, if you are ill, if you have some thyroid issues or some hormonal issues that's causing the hair to fall, you have an uphill battle because the hair oil, as strong as it is trying to save hair, and the body is trying to expel the hair. So you'll have a fighting battle. But in either case, it will still help you save the hair. If you didn't use it and did nothing, your hair will fall out at a faster rate because the hormones and the thyroid issues and the alopecia are forcing the body to expel the hair. So I hope this helps you, I hope this convinces you. Get the Gro Hair Oil, use it consistently, okay, be patient, give it time to do its work. 2 to 3 times a week is plenty. And give it some time, weeks, months, and watch. You see your hair improve and your hair start growing, and you'll be glad you did.